we made it. I already started eating, but look how good this looks. Guess how much it was? 3 euros. Crazy.
Yeah, I'm done.
Cat, these bracelets we bought. And also I got this ring. It's supposed to be for like long lasting, eternal life. And we're just going to get maybe food. We're going through security. Our flight is in 2 hours. We've done good so far. Okay, here's a little tour. It's so nice. The hosts are so cute. We have a full kitchen. This is the bathroom.
Even the cheese grater.
Really?
Yes.
It's so nice.
Look at these cute little espresso mugs.
And then this is the bedroom with a flat screen TV. There's an air conditioner. There's like a whole place to store our stuff. And here's my face after not sleeping for maybe like 30 hours.
They have Greek honey here.
It's so nice.
Greek honey.
This is so cute.
I'm gonna do my
Whoa, they gave us big waters and juice.
I know, that's what I said.
Aww.
But girl.
Are you ready for this view? We're in Santorini. This is Perissa Beach, which so far is 10 out of 10. It's like, this is really cool because I've been to a lot of beaches, but none of them were ever a black sand beach because it's volcanic rocks. Like they're little rocks instead of sand. It's really cool. And here's our ride.
I feel like I need to drop something for this guy now.
Mm-hmm. Oh my gosh, there's more.
Third one, come here.
Go down there. It's 1 in the morning, and we just ate the beef here. Yeah, that looks good. This slaps. Oh, that was nice. Okay, this is like second time getting these cakes in one day. It's called Ferrero. Look at it. What's the verdict? This slaps hard. Good morning. It's 10 in the morning. Julia is still sleeping. But it's her second day in Santorini, so ATV to go get breakfast for us. It's right there. It's so cool that you just drive that around the island. The suit is on. Okay, I'm off to go get breakfast. Here's our Airbnb. I got up at 6 this morning to come watch the sunrise. There's no one here. It's our last day in Santorini. We're having a nice little lunch by the water. That was a good sunset. And we got the best spot in the house. It's the last day. And we got sick.